What's up to all those alone in the zone? Back again with another one, the best with the sketch. John Eli Lopez on a mission to get you one step closer to being the king or the queen of the pencil. Today, we'll be learning how to do cartoon faces. You could grab a pencil and follow along. But okay, let's get started. We'll be using the same technique, but different shaped faces to show you guys the different type of characters you can come up with. First, I'm going to start with three ovals, same shape, but we're going to change some of the features up to show you just how you can come up with different characters but with the same shape. Okay, so we're getting the ovals in. And before you begin, you want to separate the face down the middle with a vertical line down the middle and a horizontal line across the middle. Uh, think of it as a T. Okay, and after I put the T in, I'm just making sure I get the outline of where I want to place the jaw. And please be mindful with this T, you're not trying to go too dark because it is only there as a guide. You will be erasing this. The horizontal line is to determine where I'm putting my ears. That's usually how it is. But and for my nose, I'm just doing kind of like a C. And the mouth is just a wide U. I'm putting dots for the eyes, and I'm putting it a little above the line. I'm going to use the same setup and create three separate looking characters. So for this guy, I'm just putting a swoop for the hairline, getting the eyebrows in there. This guy, I'm going to keep him more of a wavy hair look. For males, I want more of a defined jaw. Get a little curvature on top. And if you notice, I went above where the skull is because the hair rises on top of your skull. Unless you have a bald head or low haircut or, not really much hair on top. So this one, I decided to make this one female. So I kind of smoothed out the jaw a little bit. And I'm going to come with the same two dots, keeping them a little bit above the line, making sure I'm putting similar ears in. Kind of like a C for the nose. There's like a little smile there going, the two dots for the eyes. And I'm giving her bangs. Her hairline comes down, of course, much more. She has more hair than the male figure I just did. And if you see, I kind of looped her eyebrows in the front just to give her a little more defined eyebrow where it's, thicker in the front and thinner at the end, but that is not needed. And adding the eyelashes directly on top of the black dots. So here I'm just going to have her hair swoop down a little bit. Don't really like that line, so I'm gonna spread it out a little more, make it come more behind her ear there. Just pull two lines in for the neck and bring this side down. This side I think I'm gonna want covering her ear a little bit, so I went a little above her ear and I'm gonna bring it down a little bit over her ear. And right there is where the separation of her hair should be. And there you have it. Now this guy, he's going to have same C nose, wide U for the mouth, two dots for the eyes. Just get the eyebrows in there. And yeah, I forgot, with the female, you can add, thicker lips. So I just defined her lips a little more. But I could have left it with the straight line also. This guy, I'm gonna give him curly here. And these are general looks. You could change the ethnicity when you start coloring to anything you desire. So now we're gonna move on to another character, same setup, but we're just gonna change the shape of the head. I'm gonna give him, this guy, more of an egg shape, wider on top, same T, and we're gonna change the nose, make that more of an L, straight line for the mouth, eyebrows. He has like a more of a serious look going. One C, and then a backward C for the ears. And I think we're gonna give him balding on top. He looks like he's kind of angry. So there we go. So we're just gonna go through these other characters now. Um, Keeping the same oval here. Get the T in. As you see, I'm going very lightly. And with these characters, I'm just gonna change some of the features up. That's the same C. This time I'm giving this one rounded eyes with the dots in the middle. And you see this on, you see these type of eyes a lot. More pointy ears, same C, but backward C, but just a little more pointed. And we'll figure out his hair. Give him more of a spiky look. And that's the fun of creating characters. And if you notice all these things, when the head is just a guide, the hair lays on top and under. So for your hairline, for the hair on the sides. Okay, so here we go. Another shape. Let's come with a more of a football head thing going on here. C for the nose. Regular C and backward C. And just get this kid a curly top. Let's make this a real baby look. And this is kind of a pear shape. And as you see with the baby and this one, as you get better, you don't even need the lines because you have uh, a good direction of where these features go. But I'm going to put the lines back in just to show you guys that, I still got it without having to put it. But you need to do these things at the beginning to get your skills up. So I'll figure out how to do this. See, there I'm putting in the lines just to show you guys that it still follows that structure. There we go. There we go. So with this pear shape, I'm gonna figure out what to do. I think I'm gonna just make this a business kind of guy looking, kind of a middle-aged man here going. So remember, you could come with any type of shapes as long as you follow the specific guide. You should be all right. Let's go here with an oval. I'm gonna do the circular eyes again, but this time I'm keeping them closer together. And as you see, that changes the overall look. I do a L for the nose. And I think I'm going to give him more sleepy eyes. So you bring the eyelids down. Okay, yeah, I make this guy a little angry. Forgot the baby eyebrows there. Let's go. The neck is in. And I'm going to give him a low haircut just to show you guys that you can keep the skull. But you just have to be mindful of what type of hairstyle that person has. If he has a little bit of hair, you want to keep the skull. If not, you could rise above. So now one more crazy shape. Let me see what we're going to do here. I'm going to come with an upside down pear shape, kind of like an alien head. I'm going to do the ovals. Let's get the T in there. Keep the ovals together. I'm going to make this one a female. So I'm adding some eyelashes there. C for the nose. I'm defining the upper lip and the bottom lip there. Get the neck in there. C and backwards C for the ears. And this is all freestyle. I'm just going for it. And she's already coming to life. Let's give her 2 pigtails here. And she is good to go. And that just changes the whole look. You know, the eyes are the window to the soul. So once you bring the eyelids down, or you leave them, it's kind of a surprise look. Even though I forgot the eyebrows, I'll put it in with the Sharpie at the end. I'm going to take a Sharpie now and just outline these figures. And this is going to be time-lapse, so you guys can get an idea, you know. Just make sure you are happy with everything before you get to the marker stage, because now you are making it permanent. It's time to just outline it and erase the loose pencil lines. And there you have it. So I hope you guys got some value from this video. If you did, high five that subscribe button. Hit the like. Leave a comment. Did I leave anything out? Would you like to see a different approach to it? Any feedback is appreciated. Until next time, signing out. John Eli Lopez. Y'all be good and be safe.